guys, Ellie from the YouLi support team here to talk to you a little bit today about your shop. I'm going to show you how you can make sure that your trips are listed on your shop and also how you can embed your shop on your personal website. So you can see here that I am just on my YouLi dashboard. I have all of my active trips here, and I'm going to go ahead and click into one of my trips to show you exactly how you can make sure that a trip is listed on your shop. So you go to Update Trip, Overview, and then you want to make sure that your trip privacy is set to public and listed on your shop. Make sure if you make any changes that you save those changes. And then in order to share your shop or to embed your shop on your personal website, go to the Share Trip button on your trip backside of your trip page. You want to go to Integrate with Website. And then you want to make sure that you click the Copy for All Trips, right? This is the script that you're going to need to put on your personal website to ensure that you are embedding your entire shop page. So now let's go ahead and hop on over to your shop so you can see, right, what your shop page looks like. So as you can see, your shop is where all of your listed and published trips will appear. You can integrate this entire page as your entire page onto your website, but you can also use your shop page as a landing page if you're just starting. All right, your YouLi shop page can also have a long description here about what your company is about. If you have any questions about your shop or how to embed it, go ahead and check out our help center. And also feel free to reach out to any of us on the YouLi team via that chat box in your right-hand corner of your screen.